Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to get a shortcut to copy URLs or any website that you visit in Chrome. So this is our Chrome browser. So open your Chrome browser, and once you open your Chrome browser, so what you are going to be doing is that any website that you visit, you are going to have a shortcut here where you can use to copy the link, and then whether you are sending it to an email or sending it to wherever that you want or pasting it to anywhere that you want, just as simple as that. To bring that shortcut, just go to this three dot here, so drop it down, and then now go to more tools, and now under more tools you now come to customize Chrome. Right, under customize Chrome you scroll down, and then you have your toolbar here, so just click on it as a drop down. Now search for copy link. Right, so we have copy link here, so enable it. Right, so you can see once we enable it, you can see that we have it here. Right, so close this. Now let's say I visit YouTube. Right, so I've visited YouTube website, and then the link, you can see that the link is now available, so I can just click on it, and then now YouTube link is now copied, so I can just add a new tab and paste it here. So if you see, it has taken me to the YouTube website. Or likewise, if you want to send it through an email, you can just go and open that email and compose the email, paste it direct there, and then forward it to whatsoever that you want to do. So that is just how easy and simple it is to get this shortcut in copying any URL or website that you visit. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one.